Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you use a tablet without a service provider? Like most smart products, tablets have an inbuilt Wi-Fi feature that allows users to connect quickly with local Wi-Fi networks. Moreover, the latest tablet models are compatible with LTE connections, and hence you have the option to link your tablet with any mobile network. What does Wi-Fi only mean on a tablet? If it is a Wi-Fi only, that means that it doesn't have cellular capabilities. You can use it with any wireless internet, but it is not set up to use a data plan, as the cellular models are. If an iPad is Wi-Fi plus cellular, then they will be branded AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. One is Wi-Fi only and one is Wi-Fi and cellular. How do I get internet on my tablet? To connect your Android phone or tablet to your wireless home network, just follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of your screen, then select the settings icon. Select Wi-Fi, then move the slider to the on position. Select the name of the Wi-Fi network you want to join. Enter the network password. Select Connect. Do tablets require a data plan? If you have a tablet that works on the go, i.e., it has mobile access but no data plan, and want to go onto the internet, you'll need to sign up to a deal from a mobile company and insert their SIM card into your tablet. You can pay daily, monthly, or for the amount of data you use. How do I get data on my tablet? Your phone can be used to create a Wi-Fi hotspot for your tablet, donating your mobile data allowance to let your tablet get online. With an Android phone, you just need to go to the tethering and portable hotspot section of the settings and turn the portable hotspot feature on. The 7th of September 2017. Can you use a tablet with Wi-Fi only? Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus cellular. If it is a Wi-Fi only, that means that it doesn't have cellular capabilities. You can use it with any wireless internet, but it is not set up to use a data plan, as the cellular models are.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.